Now, since day one, the Blum Airdrop has always been a huge supporter of PAWS. And of course, now that PAWS will be listing on March 18, Blum is setting up a campaign to give and to reward top traders that would be trading PAWS on the trading app on Blum loads of PAWS as rewards. So now, of course, in this video, I'm just going to show you guys basically how to start your trading on Blum, and of course how to get ready to trade PAWS on Blum, and at the same time how to also earn meme points on the Blum airdrop while trading, because of course Blum airdrop will be coming very soon, and all of those things we accumulated in season 1 may not really count towards getting a huge supply of the airdrop. So of course you need to get those meme points, and you need to also get yourself really positioned for the Blum airdrop that will be coming very soon. So of course, anyways guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Inoko Kediri, and welcome to another cryptocurrency video. Now, as you guys already know, we're talking about the Blum airdrop. It has been building slowly and slowly, even though the interface is not what we love to see. I've been trying to get used to the trading bot very well. The interface is not what we love to see, but I mean, Blum's main idea was to make trading just like sending text messages on Telegram, and they're doing that just very fine. But anyways, let's get right into it. So now, as you guys can see, I'm on the campaign page, which shows Blum X PAWS Trading Campaigns. 250 million PAWS token in prices. That is huge. That is very huge. The campaign starts on the March 18. That is the day PAWS will be listing, all the way to the 31st of March. So in this case, probably when you get your PAWS airdrop, you want to buy some PAWS and bring it all the way to the Blum Trading app. That is, of course, the Telegram wallet, and then start trading all the way from there. And now the other thing, as you guys can see, is weeks before now, Blum announced that the Solana chain is now eligible for trading on Blum. So that is really crazy. It was more like because PAWS moved, so they had to enable Solana on the Blum bot. Guys, this is very huge for Blum in total. I mean, you can now trade Solana on Blum airdrop on the Blum app. That is very huge. So of course, I'm just going to show you guys basically how to go through everything. And to start that, let's first launch the Blum app. So it says buy and sell on MemePad, snipe tokens with trading bot, launch your own token. So we have launched so many tokens. You guys have refused to buy, so it's totally fine. I'm not hurt. But anyways, if you're still looking for it, that is my token there. 1.4k market cap. Of course, that's a lie. It's just probably a couple of cents. So as you guys can see, 3 transactions. We have 2 holders. Who are these 2 people? These 2 holders are really diamond. I'm one of them, but the second person I do not know. We created it since the 30th of January. So anyways, this is the home page, as you guys can see. Currently, I have meme points of 1,600. Blum points are still mining every year. We have 728 play passes. Very crazy. But now, the most important thing is over here. Up here, you guys can see you have launch token. We know what launch token is. We have the meme pad. We know what the meme pad is. Meme pad is this over here where you guys can buy different meme tokens. And then you have the trading bot. Now, today is basically the trading bot we want to talk about. Now, apparently, I bought some hamster token using the trade bot, but then we're just going to do something today. So you guys can see Blum Trading Bot, your multi-chain trading body for Solana and Ton. My Solana wallet is apparently 0 SOL. And the Ton wallet, we have 4 tons on the Ton wallet. We can also copy the address. Now, your meme point balance is 1,600. You guys saw that in the app already. And you get 750 meme points for every $10 in a single trade. That is huge. But anyways, let's think about, first of all, how to trade using the trading bot. Now, you can see the trading bot. It has all our basic how would I say it? It has all our basic information. So let's say we want to buy and sell, and then we have to check. Now I just click buy and sell, And now it took me to buy and sell, trade any Solana and Ton tokens, send a token address, ticker link, or pics from the list. Now we're just going to go to token list. You guys can see it has Solana tokens, Ton tokens, Blum News, Blum Hot, Blum Blooming, Blum Listed. So we're just going to look for menu over here. You guys can see it says menu. We just click on the menu, this hamburger sign here, and then we click then start trading. So once again, we're back to the home screen, and then we're going to go buy or sell token lists, and we're going to click Ton tokens. Now you guys can see the top ton tokens that they are giving us to buy. Apparently we have PX over here. That is the pixel token. So I'm going to click the pixel token. Actually, I've been looking forward to buy the pixel token, and then you guys can see it over here. It's currently trading at 0.000, really bad. Market cap is 12 million. Not good at all. Liquidity 785. I mean, PX token has just suffered a whole lot. I love it. I'm still holding everything I got from the airdrop. I've not sold. I actually really never sell all my tokens. I just keep them. I keep them. They keep dying in my wallet, but I keep them because I believe that they have some huge use in the future, and I also believe in the project. But anyways, that's not what we're here to talk about. So we can now buy PX token using the Ton in our wallet, because of course PX is on the Ton chain. So now we're going to click here. You guys can see my slippage is on 5%. My set buy amount is 3 ton. So apparently I have only 4 tons, as you guys remember. My slippage now, I put it to 5%. You can reduce the slippage all the way to 1%. Now, the higher the slippage, the more you pay, okay, for maybe the fees of swapping or transaction. So naturally, the slippage on the Blum Trading Bot is around 25%, but I reduced my own to 5%. So let's keep this one to 1% and see if the transaction will go through. Now, 1% is very low, meaning your transaction will not be on the highest priority. And then, of course, it will also be cheaper based on transaction fees and all of those things. So we want to buy 3 tons. My ton balance is 4. Let's buy 2. Let's buy 2. So you click on, for example, sorry, I'm just clicking. I'm not showing you guys. To set slippage, you click on slippage, you put the number. To set the amount of ton you want to use to buy, for example, you guys can see it says over here set buy amount. It's 3 tons there. So I'm going to click that, and then it says type what I want to buy. So I'm going to write in this place, in this box, 2. I want to send 2 ton, and then it's loading, and then it has changed all the way to 2 tons, and I'm going to now click buy. So it's processing, as you guys can see. So 2 tons is approximately $5.86, and I'm buying extra 112 PX. Now, I mean, and as you guys can see, it is now confirmed. And then it's still waiting for information. I think the transaction is going through right now. So when we go all the way back to the main menu, let's see. Apparently, 1 second. Good. It says my ton wallet is now 1.8, meaning they've removed around 2 tons for the transaction, and you can see a little bit of transfer fee is also out already for this transaction. So guys, we just bought something for 5 ton, but apparently we did not get any meme points. The reason why we did not get any meme point, but because the transaction was not up to $10. Okay, so for every $10 you spend, you're getting 750 meme points. So this is encouraging people to actually use the Blum Trading Bot to actually buy tokens, because this way you are buying tokens and ending up you're also getting much more meme points, which could help you and increase your chances of getting a huge fat Blum airdrop when they finally decide to list. Okay, and note, earning is the new game. That is what Blum has probably said. They've said it is no longer tap to earn, it is more interact to earn. Use to earn, trade to earn. So I mean, when you want to trade any token on the Ton network, instead of using maybe the S-Ton file to swap or any of those things, try using the Blum for now so that you can get some meme points, and then you can also boost your account very, very well. So now we're just going to go back all the way to start trading here, and you guys can see we are back to the main screen once again. So guys, that is basically everything you need to know about trading on the Blum Trade Bot, and of course how to also participate in the coming PAWS, the PAWS context to win almost 250 million PAWS in the nearest future. That is in March 18. So I've showed you guys how to participate in it. $50 is the minimum PAWS you have to trade on the Blum Trading Bot to be part of those that would win 250 million PAWS. Of course, guys, so that is basically everything I wanted to share. Thank you so much for sticking by. Make sure you smash that like and hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful day and peace.